Hi everyone! Today we're going to walk you through the process of sending an email to a tagged list in ConvertKit. If you're new to ConvertKit, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. First, locate and click the Send button. This is typically found on your dashboard or main interface. After clicking Send, look for the option labeled Broadcast. Click on this to begin the process of creating a new broadcast message. Once you're in the broadcast section, click on New Broadcast. This will open a form or template where you can set up your message. Next, you'll need to select a filter for your broadcast. This helps you target the right audience. Browse through the available filters and click on the one that best suits your needs. After choosing a filter, you will be prompted to give your broadcast a name. This will help you identify it later. You can also customize your message content according to your preferences. Once you have named and customized your broadcast, click on Continue to move to the next stage. Here, you'll choose the type of broadcast you want to send. This could vary based on the options available, such as email, SMS, or other forms of communication. Click on Send Email if that's your choice. Next, you'll need to select a tag that corresponds to the audience you want to reach. This helps segment your recipients effectively. Click on the appropriate tag to select it. After selecting the tag, click on Continue to confirm your choices and move forward. Click on Publish to send out your email. And that's it. You have successfully sent an email to your targeted audience. I hope you found this helpful. Before we wrap up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.